Hi, I'm George, the Weather Dad, with a major winter weather update. Yes, a major winter storm is on the way to likes we have not seen in a very, very long time. But here are the questions. One, when is it going to start? Two, how much snow? Three, when is it going to end? And four, how cold is it really going to get? But then there may even be a fifth question. Is there a chance for us to change over into Cincinnati area, southern Ohio, southern Indiana, to sleet and or freezing rain? All right, first question, when is it going to start? And you can extrapolate out. I think for the Cincinnati area, the first flakes of snow, right now, the way it looks, may be shaping up around midday at this point in time. How much snow? That's really still a very good question, but I think that somebody between Indianapolis, Louisville, Cincinnati will get anywhere between 12 to 18 inches of snow out of this event. Now, you can extrapolate towards the Northeast. That would incorporate Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania, and then you can move it towards the Southeast, Southwest rather, and towards the West. When's it going to end? Sunday night, Monday morning, the way it looks right now. It'll start tapering off because we're going to have not one, but two major rounds of influx of moisture. And with cold air in place, well, that just means a lot of snow. How cold is it going to get? Very. With the snow on the ground and with an Arctic blast coming in, temperatures, I would certainly guess that will be well below zero, maybe a 5, -5 to maybe even -10 come Tuesday morning, and we could even be below zero come Monday morning. But I think it's more like Tuesday morning could be the coldest night or coldest morning thus far. The fifth question, is it going to change over? And if you remember correctly, over the last several days, I have been talking about how these models initially bring in a lot of snow for the Ohio Valley, and then they just shift the storm up towards the north. Because believe it or not, the Appalachian Mountains affects our weather more than anything else because it moves storms closer to the Cincinnati, Dayton areas, and that can change over to some sleet and or freezing rain. The models continue to show that. They continue to move it, inching it now, not as strong as it was a couple days ago, but keeps on moving it up towards the north. So there is a chance for the Cincinnati area to have it change over to some sleet and freezing rain. If that happens, then the snow amounts will be less. If it doesn't happen, then it looks like the heavy snow bank could be right there in the Cincinnati area. In fact, it could split Cincinnati right in half the way it's looking right now. And that's not unusual. This happens more than you think when it comes to these major storms. So that's something we're really going to have to keep an eye on. We'll have another model run here in a couple hours, and then another one later on tonight and tomorrow morning. I'll be back with more updates at this point in time. But prepare yourself for a major winter storm for the Ohio Valley and for the entire Midwest, as well as the Southeast. I'm George, the Weather Dad.